If you're new to screen printing, aligning multiple colors on your screen can be a bit overwhelming. It's essential to get your artwork lined up properly during the burning process for easier alignment on the press later. A pre-registration template is a really helpful tool that can help you get it just right. First, set up your artwork. Make sure it has registration marks and is centered before printing your transparency. Next, you'll want to line up the center lines of your artwork to the center lines on the registration board. Add a small piece of tape to each corner of your transparency and place your screen over the design using the screen clamp illustration for guidance. Press down on the edges of your screen to secure the transparency to it. Next, burn your design onto your screen. And finally, line it up on your press using the transparency as a guide.